One wallet is responsible for over 100 meme coin scams in the last month. We're going to talk all about it. And also, Bitcoin is holding above these bullish levels that we need to stay above in order to continue this bull run. Decentralized. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today, let's talk about this Bitcoin chart. We haven't talked about it in a minute. We're gonna take a look at what it's doing on the larger time frames and on the daily time frames. Not much has happened since my last update. It's still doing the same exact things that I talked about in those videos, but we're gonna get right into it. But we're gonna start off with what's going on with these meme coins. So yesterday I was talking about how I don't really like to get into meme coins, how I don't really be investing in those too much, but today we had this news right here. One wallet launched 114 dodgy meme coins in 2 months, according to Zach XBT. If you guys don't know who Zach XBT is on Twitter, give him a follow. This guy's always doing data analytics and following wallets and stuff like that. They call him an independent blockchain detective, but he found out that one wallet has been responsible for all of these meme coin scams. So it's like they're pumping and dumping these meme coins. Who knows how they're doing it, but they're bringing the money in through Coinbase, and they haven't been flagged by Coinbase yet. So we're going to be figuring out soon who's been launching a lot of these meme coin scams in the last couple of months, because going through Coinbase, you got to be KYC to get your cash out of Coinbase, so they will be caught soon. Like, crypto's the dumbest way to try to do anything illegal. You know, you can get caught so easy, but this is just doubling down on my meme coin thinking. Like, gotta be careful with those meme coins. Don't be getting into them. It is a gamble. Your money is going away to this wallet right here. This one guy. Everybody's giving their money to this one guy right here with this one wallet. This is crazy. Looking at, how all of these memes, you can't even zoom in because there's so many of them. But yeah, this is usually the chart of a meme coin right here. You get an initial pump all the way up, and then it starts going all the way down. There are some that become some pretty nice communities, and they end up being something that everybody earns money from. But the majority of them, over 100 of them, out of all of them, there's like 5 of them that are doing good right now. That's why I gotta be careful out there. Let's take a look at this Bitcoin chart though, because looking at it on the daily, it is looking pretty good. So yesterday we had this doji right here, but we're bouncing on the chart as of right now. We still got 19 hours in this day, so let's take a look at this lower time frame to see if it's showing us any signs that we're getting bullish. So we got the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart that we were fighting with. We bounced above it this morning. We got that nice pump up to 30K that got everybody excited. Then we dumped below it. Bounce on the 34 exactly would be the place where we would want to bounce. And now we're headed back up. We tested above it, and it looks like we could be holding above this 200 moving average right here on the 4-hour. So we'll see what happens with that in the next couple of days, because looking at it on the daily chart, it does look like we want to get above this 13 and 34 and continue and do something like we did. Let's see, where do we do that at? Who cares? Let's go look at the weekly chart right here. This is the main chart that we've been watching. We came down, we dipped back down to this support right here at 26. I was hoping that we went a little bit lower, hopefully maybe dip. Like, I was hoping we went to 500 and maybe even wicked below this 200 moving average, because right now that's kind of looking like what we still want to do. It's looking like we still kind of want to come and then continue our way back up. Pause. Looking like that's what we want to do right here. We want to bounce on this and then continue back up, but we'll see how that goes right there. As long as we stay above this 200 moving average, it is good, but I would like to see us test it a little bit more. So that's all we're watching. We're watching these longer time frames. That's why we're talking less about these Bitcoin charts. Who cares about the hourly? But it is looking good. Let's take a look at the rest of the altcoins though, because when we look at this total 2, right here, which is all of the altcoins too. So looking at the weekly total too, we're bouncing on the 13 moving average, which is good to see, which is right here at this 236 Fibonacci level, which is so beautiful to see that those are lining up. That's why I haven't been using a lot of other things on these charts except for those moving average, because they've been lining up pretty nice with everything. But going right here, we can see, yeah, we're bouncing right here on this weekly chart, which is very interesting. This is looking like we are starting to get into that hope phase on the this chart. Let me show you guys, because you guys always know I gotta pull up this chart. If you follow me on Twitter, you know I'll always be posting this chart right here when everybody's all pissed off, because we were in anger for a little bit and kind of going down, and it looks like we might be somewhere in this level right here, maybe disbelief or something like that, trying to get back to that hope level. Let's hope we can make it back to that hope level right there on that. So very interesting things happening on these charts right now. Can't lie that it's looking good. We need to hold these levels. Nothing is permanent. Anything can happen in this market, so take everything with a grain of salt, but it's looking good. It's looking like we can still keep collecting our coins right now. Get your bags ready. Bitcoin is giving us ample time to get the bags ready. That's why we're looking at this Bitcoin chart, and it's telling us, hey, it's almost time to go. If we could bounce above this level and start heading back up here, look, the next levels that we have on this Bitcoin chart are 36k, then we go right here 45k, and then 51k, and then it's quickly back up to 66k. It's quickly back up to all-time highs if things start to go crazy from here. You know what I'm saying? We're about, you know, Bitcoin only got a 2x to get back to its all-time high. That's a lot of money, but interesting things are happening in the market right now. We got this year of liquidity being pumped in. We got the debt ceiling and all that stuff going. So yeah, we will see what happens in the next couple of days, but it is looking good. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Until next time, peace.